Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in.
Today we're
If you like this
placing the air
video,
filter
please give it a
on
like,
the
comment below,
Transit.
and take a moment to
This is the
subscribe to our
housing
channel.
for the air filter. Not too much space, so this is not going to be very easy. And here is the replacement filter. We just went with the aftermarket, cheap aftermarket filter. I'm just gonna use a brush and try to remove some of the dust from around the housing, because we don't want any of that dust to end up inside. First thing we're gonna move is the windshield washer. Just gonna remove it just a little here. Next thing we want to remove is this sensor, and as you can see, the sensor has a bit of a
Thank you very much.
metallic part here. I'm gonna use a flat head, and we're simply gonna just push it, and it comes out very easy. This was the part we pushed, and this comes out simple, like right there, easy. Alright, so next thing we're gonna remove is this cover here. There's a fastener, easily unscrewed. Slowly, there we go. I think that should be enough. And then this can come out. There we go. Put that on the side also. Our next thing is open up the clips. There's one here, another here, and another here. So let's start. 1, 2, and oh, this came out. And here's the filter.
Hiding in there.
Making it, yeah, quite impossible to remove. Okay, so we're removing the holder.
I'm going to hold that away.
I can hold it against this, I think. Oh,
Maybe you can pull the filter out now.
still not yet, but it's close. The filter's loose.
I think you have to pull it toward you.
So painful. This is the position you have to set the cover in order to get maximum clearance under to put the air filter back in. So, okay. Here you can see there's just enough space for the filter to just slide in there. new filter. Just gonna try and slide it in. Not the easiest. Went in this way and I'll have to turn it. Watch. There it is. Here goes the new filter. Alright, so now we're going to turn the casing to fit it back in slowly. Again, it did not have to be this difficult. So here's the casing. Grab the back. Needs to grab first.
Heard a click.
Just click to it. Alright, there. Alright, so then just check all around, make sure this is fitting. Make sure everything is fitting properly. The back is closed. Yep. So first, make sure it clicks in the back, then this clip, that clip, that clip. Alright. The sensor back in. And it was like this. This wants to be here, okay. Then nice. This is where this goes. Now I'll have to tighten it. Make sure that comes flush. Alright, this is good. Putting back the holder. Good.
Thanks for
I'm
watching.
getting no warning lights on the dashboard, so everything should be fine.